Wix service page tutorial. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can have a service page on Wix website and also how you can manage it. So basically we are going to head over wix.com, sign in for an account, and here we have the site's dashboard. If you are familiar with Wix, you're going to have a site dashboard. If you are not, and it is the first time that you are going to create a website, you are going to get this specific area for creating a website. So basically, here you are going to get the choice between trying the Wix Studio or creating a website with the simple Wix editor. We are going to select Wix editor. You can go ahead right there and set up with the AI chat right there, or go ahead and set up a service. So right there, we are going to select the type of the service that we need in our website. So for example, we have tracking services, we have consultation. I'm going to set up here, let's say the type of website because we are going to set up here a new website, consultant. For example, business management consultant. I'm going to click on continue. I will let you see here that this is choice for the let's say right there type of the websites like the consultants or the under any circumstances you're going to create a website that contain a service or services providing. You're going to get here the catalog that will contain booking services. Basically you are going to get from here a the services that you are going to put up. Now here, as you can see, each one of the service will get an appointment. So basically we are going to see some, let's say here, preset templates for services. You're going to have them, and if you want to create one, you're going to have them right there. So for the services, we have three types on Wix. We have the appointment services, we have the class services, and we have the course. So you're going to select for which category you are going to classify your service. So basically, you can go ahead and add right there the three or a service for the three categories, and you can start for it. So let's say that I'm going to put here an appointment service, and this is going to be a coaching, for example, or a consultation. So we can see here that we have the templates. You can click on the edit or their badge on each one of the service, and you can go ahead and change, for example, the cover of the service. You can go ahead and change the name of it, the duration, and everything. Now I'm going to click on cancel, leave without saving, and I'm going to create one from scratch. So I'm going to give you here a better view on how we can create a service. For example, here I'm going to set up here a consultation or one-on-one consultation, for example, or pro consultation, for example. Here you need to set up the image or the cover because it is going to be crucial. It maybe could here be optional, but it is crucial to put up here an illustration for it. We have the tagline, so you are going to give a quick intro to your service, and we have the description. So go ahead and put a description. You can go ahead and put or get the AI help for creating the description. For example, I'm going to create a text based on pro consultation. So I'm going to use it just like that. Now for the duration, you can go ahead and have a duration. You can customize it, for example, or get one of the presets. For example, you can have a buffer time or the time that is going to notify right there some short breaks. For example, for let's say each 20 minutes, we are going to get a buffer time after a session, each to create a short breaks, for example. So right there, we are going to see the price and payments. Choose how clients can pay for the service. Can go ahead and have it right there. So select basically the price per session with a plan or per session or with a plan or they're together. So you are going to type in here the amount, the fixed price, the variable prices or custom price. The payment preferences is going to be here at choice. The location, either you are going to add a location or a video conferencing for a digital location. You can assign some stuff. For example, if you have some resources, you can manage them. So you can add some gallery images for, let's say, here the content. And also, you can set up here the booking preferences. So you're going to set up here a calendar and also a booking form. Now, aside from that, or this specific right there page, I'm going to leave the page here. The services, I'm going to let you see how we can see the page on the website. So we are going to click on the setup here, which has the rocket icon. Click on design site. Since it is the first time that we are going to select a template, we are going to either pick a template or generate a design. I'm going to pick up real quick a template and let you see here the page of ours. So here we have, as you can see, the suggested, let's say, templates or themes. So we are going to select one of these. So I'm going to select one and then we are going to put it here. For example, I'm going to click on it. It will take us to the editing or the Wix website editor. It will open up here the website itself. So our website is ready. As you can see, we have a highlighting of the buttons on the left side of the screen that will help you where they distinguish how we can modify the things, add things like elements, sections, manage the pages and menus, and etc. So basically, I'm going to ignore that. I'm going to put a click right there on any of the sections. So maybe we are going to get here the website bigger or filling up the screen. So now we are going to head over the page or the service page. We are going to head over pages and menu, and we are going to see booking pages. So we have the service page. We are going to click on it. It is crucial to set up the services before, so it is going to be something right there crucial so we can get the access right there. So here we have the page. You can go ahead and customize that page by setting up here the service title. For example, the duration here, it is going to be like a filter. So also here the service description, you're going to see all the services put here. So you can get here the sessions, the upcoming session, the cancellation policy, the contact details, and etc. So if you want to manage a service, click on here and it will show you the dashboard or the mini version of the dashboard of yours, where they are going to see here all the services that you have. And here we have it. Basically, we have them here. If you want to see the settings of the page, you're going to click on settings. And from here, we are going to see the management of the services, the layout, the service titles, the book button, the image opacity, the alignment, and all the layout segmentation of the editing. We have the sections like the service title, which is going to be here, service details or description here, right there. So details and description, scheduling, which is this, cancellation policy, and etc. You can manage or modify the design of the header, the body, or the sidebar, for example, from the font colors, the service title, type of them, for example, and also some of the, as you can see, sizing. Here we have the body and etc. For the text, you can go ahead and modify the text right away here by modifying the title of them. And here we have it. So basically that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next one.